2025 Ram 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim. Get a fast and easy price quote today